This is part 2 of 4 tips for women returning to the workforce after a divorce. In part 1, we talked about the many financial implications and what you need to be looking out for and make sure get addressed in the divorce process. This time, we're going to talk about the other side of the picture, the emotional side. You may be upset that your children now are not going to come home to mom. In fact, might need to stay in after school, or your child that you've spent so much time with has to go to daycare. But unfortunately, we don't get to do everything we want. And every negative has a positive to it as well. And you need to start focusing on that. So thinking about going back to the workforce, that sounds scary. You feel insecure about it. You've been out of the workforce for years. Well, guess what? That's what everybody feels. To feel that way is normal. But what can you do about it? Well, first of all, I would suggest that you create tasks for yourself, 1 per day, maybe 3 per week, something feasible. And as you get these tasks to get back to work, then write them in a book. And when you get 5 of them, then it's an opportunity for a reward, maybe a coffee at Dunkin' Donuts. So, or whatever, Starbucks, whatever you prefer. So what else can you do? You can do a lot of self-talk. You can say to yourself, I can do this. I now am going to have control over my life. And as you look at other things that you need to accomplish, you can reach out to friends and family. Be selective who you talk to and how much you say, because you don't want to hear your words in the courtroom. Trust me. Likewise, be very thoughtful about anything you post on the internet. If you're not going to be okay, if a judge is looking at it, then you know it's not the right thing. And you can get help from professionals. Of course, a therapist and even your family lawyer who has helped many clients through this and has a lot of experience and suggestions. So you want to find a family lawyer that you feel is supportive and understands the emotional side of the business as well as the financial side. So my message to you is you can do it. And if I can help, I would love to. My contact information is below.